Hi friends, this is Suman Jain, your friend, and I'm here today to talk about Facebook Pixel, and I'm here to teach you about how to install Facebook Pixel onto your landing page or opt-in page, or to your website, or anywhere where you wanted to track for your future retargeting ads. But for example, for your understandings, you need to understand what exactly is Facebook Pixel. Facebook Pixel is nothing but it's just a short code or a short snippet of JavaScript code which has been added to our websites or our landing pages or our blogs, where we wanted our people to look out and do certain actions, either to scrolling the website or to put their name and email and address, or do some actions like purchases or checkouts or anything, whatever you are planning to do it. So if you want to track them, and for example, if you are selling some shoes and someone is coming to your website and added that particular shoes to the cart, but they did not purchase, then how do you retarget those customers, right? So in that way, Pixel, if we add those code, a simple code which usually takes just 2 to 3 minutes, which you need to add them, the code, the base code plus the lead code or the conversion code, or whatever the conversions you have, you need to place that particular code depending upon the conversions, and that way you can track if they have not bought any goods, then you can do a retargeting ad where you can take their help so that they can buy from you for the future references. So for this, I just wanted to show you a small example of that. Before I just wanted to show you what exactly is Facebook Pixel. It's nothing, it's just a tag in a short snippet of JavaScript that does something on your website, right? As I explained earlier. In the context of marketing or advertising, tags on pixels, they are often collecting information about the visitors and their behaviors on the sites, right? That is one thing. So the step one is you need to click on this particular website, which is called Business Facebook, right? So you can see at business.facebook.com. So if you don't have, then you need to create an account with the same your Facebook account. You need to create your business or Facebook account, and after that you just need to go create your one business manager account, and I have somewhere between 10. You can see it. I'm just going to one of my ad account where we would be using the pixel code onto the opt-in pages and to the thank you pages, right? So before I go and explain, I just wanted to show you about, okay, if you can see this 3 lines horizontal, you just need to click on there. Once you click, you would find 3 options. One is ad manager, audience, and the pixel. Along with that, you can see there's an audience tools, and even here also, if you can see, you have events manager. When you go there, you can see all the activities, what has happened with the pixels and custom conversions and partners integrations, right? So what we are going to do is we are clicking on pixels. So once we click on the pixels, I just wanted to show you how this pixels track our website, or any action has been taken to our website where we can track, right? You can see here there's an event, 26 event to sit today, and you can see here, like say about like 12 events, and if you want, you can even check the details on that particular URLs on which particular day you have seen the activities. If you can see here, today also there was activities, okay? If you can see here, there were about some activities, right? And if you can see here, there were 3 leads and 9 page views, right? And when you scroll down, you can see for the lead ads, okay, you can see here we have 11 leads, we have 39 views and 11 leads, right? So when you click on view details, okay, click on events and check the URLs as well. So when you click on the events and the URLs, you can check which URL has received the leads, right? So if you can see here, this is particularly 13 people checked in, and here we were about somewhere like the same people were looking out twice the thank you pages, right? If you can see the same thing, this is what the opt-in page, and this is what the thank you page, it's the same, right? So this is how you track your leads, you add the pixels so that you can track them. This is what the 13, and you can see here we have 4 conversions. 13 people viewed this page, and among this 13 there were 4 people who entered their email and checked in the next pages, right? So you can see all the available dates. If you want, you can see and check the availability of the updates and each and everything, and you can even go and see how the settings has been done. You can see how the event has been diagnosed. So you can actually track each and everything. So if you have any issues, then you have to go and fix the issues. If you don't have any issues, then you don't need to do anything. So in order to set up a pixel, what is the first step you need to do? First, you enter here. You need to go here. You can see each account has a pixel IDs, right? You can even share the pixel ID to your other accounts as well. Okay, so you have to go and click on the setup, and you need to go to manual and install the code yourself. And if you cannot do it, if you have your developer, then you just need to click on this and you need to send to your developer the emails. Okay, here you need to add the recipients, and this is a pixel ID, and they would be adding all the pixel code and each and everything. Okay, so this is what you need to do with the developers. But if you manually install the code of yourself, you just need to click the code. Okay, first step, and this is the base code. You need to copy this code. Okay, now the second step is you need to go to your opt-in pages or your website. So I just wanted to show you about the ClickFunnels, the landing pages which I'm using. It's one of the best landing pages, and within this video below in my description you would see the link where you can go and subscribe to this, where you are getting 14 days free subscription to checking the demo of this particular ClickFunnels. Okay, so I'm just getting into my ClickFunnels. Okay, I'm just getting into my ClickFunnels, and you would see there's a lot of people getting in, a lot of page views and opt-ins as well. I'm just going and clicking on my ClickFunnels and clicking on the funnels to go and check out my funnels, right? So where I would be adding it. So if you just go here, I think I have to go back, not this particular opt-in pages. This is this, yes. Yeah, so if you can see over here that this is where the Wi-Fi ebook capture pages, and after that there's a thank you pages, terms and conditions. Okay, so this is one. If you can see, this is the thank you pages. Okay, we can add on any of the information on any over here. Okay, so what I've done is I have my opt-in page with the other funnels, and this is a thank you page which I'm using it. Okay, so you can see Wi-Fi Millionaire. On this Wi-Fi Millionaire ebook, I'll be using this thank you pages. I'm just going back to the funnels where I need to add the code. So I'm going to this book opt-in funnels. Okay, we can redirect anywhere. Okay, so first this is what the funnel is. I'm just clicking on the edit page. Okay, and going back to this, I'm copying this code, getting back over to this funnels of ClickFunnels, click on the settings, click on tracking code, and you would see some just, you just need to click and remove it and just paste it. Okay, once you paste it, you just need to save it. Once you save it, you would see this saving update will appear at this particular time, and you just need to go and exit. Once you do that, okay, go back to your thank you page. If you have your thank you page set up over here, you need to click on this itself. If not, my thank you page is set up with the other funnel. So I'm just going back, as I shared with you. Here is what my thank you page is being set up. So I'm just going back over here, clicking on this thank you page or bridge page. Okay, where I need to, after collecting the emails, where I need to send them. So I'm just clicking on over here. And what I'm doing is, even over here, I'm going to the same settings, clicking on the tracking code, adding the same. Okay, I'm adding the same over here. Okay, and if you can see here, I have only page view, but on my thank you pages, if you can see in my descriptions, I need to add base code plus lead code or conversion code. How to do that? So after copying this, follow my video completely. After doing this, okay, you just need to go and complete the steps, and you need to follow this step. Either you have to go for lead or complete registrations, any options. Okay, when you click on here, you would have this, or if you wanted, you can go and copy this. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm copying this and pasting it, and I just need to have this. I don't need the script. Okay, so I'm going back to my ClickFunnels. If you can see a 12th line, okay, I'm just clicking on enter and pasting the same layer, because after someone is putting their email, I need to track on my Facebook ads. So for that, I need to put this information, and after that I just need to save it. Once it has been saved, I just need to go and exit it. Once I exit it, then I can track my pixels. How do I do that? So once I complete it, okay, here is what we need to do is we need to create a custom conversions. Okay, how to do the custom conversion so that our pixel get activated. So you just need to click on create custom conversions, and you just need to go back here, take this thank you pages, because this is what the conversion you wanted. So you just need to go back here, and you are going for the all traffic, or you just wanted to capture the leads. I would definitely wanted to capture the leads, so I'm just going there, and for the first rule is it is always with the equals. I usually select equals, or it contains anything, you use it, but I usually go with the equals and add my thank you pages or my destination pages, where I need to send the people after collecting their information, after collecting their personal information like name, email, phone number, and etc. And if you want, you can add another description as well. And after that, I click name this particular custom conversion and enter the value. If you can see here, it is in USD $1, and just I need to create the value. It's already exists because I've already it has been exist. So what I'll do is I'll go for the all traffic. Okay, yeah, so I'm just selecting the category. I'll just go for the custom conversion. If not, it has to be 1 because it has been duplicated. So you cannot do the duplication activities. Okay, so after that, your custom conversion will now start recording actions. Once the first action has been recorded, it means that once someone go to this particular page, okay, once someone goes to this particular page and put their information, put their personal information, sorry, okay, put their personal information. Okay, if you can see here, this is the ebook which I'm promoting it. They just need to put this particular information, and they just need to submit their personal details, and after that they would be directed to the thank you pages. Okay, if I'm not Robert, and you can see everywhere is where I collect my information, and below this video you would even find there is a link where you can subscribe to my Aweber subscriptions, right? So you can see this is what the thank you pages which I was sending them, and here when they see all this informations where I'm giving a training for them, so they just go and click on this affiliate trainings, where they would be again landing to some other destinations, right? So this is the way where I would send people into. So this is the best way of creating the custom conversions. Once it is get activated, which usually takes 5 to 10 minutes or sometimes even an hour, and after that you can start creating an ad, and there is an option of custom conversions for leads ads, for conversion ads, where you can use the custom whatever custom conversion which you track it, and after that you can create an ad so that those pixel has been recorded, the data sources has been recorded, and you can use them into their future recordings, future ads, like retargeting ads. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like my video and if you wanted more such kind of videos, just below this video comment below this video what kind of videos you wanted to get trained all about. And if you like this video, if you just show your love by liking this video and sharing this video, and subscribe to the bell channel as well. Okay, and below this video you would find all the information with the ClickFunnels, with the Aweber, with other Facebook ads, how I've created the ads with the help of this custom conversions as well. So make use of it, watch the videos, share the videos. Thank you so much, and comment below the videos as well.